Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 3. How are you, dear students? I hope you all will be fine. Dear children, have you completed your previous task? Okay, so open book page number 12. As we studied in this chapter about landforms, island, lake, bay, cliff, waterfall, mountain, valley, desert, hill, river, plateau, coast, beach, sea, ocean. Okay, so what you have understood from this chapter, you have to define the following: island, cliff, hill, desert, coast. Now this is your homework, that you have to write few lines about these following given words. Okay, now you have done this exercise. Now check this exercise. Island is a piece of land surrounded by land. False, because island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Number 2, waterfall is a sudden fall of a river or stream from great height. Yes, true. Number 3, cliff is a huge mass of rock that rises above the land. False. Why? Because cliff is very steep rock by the seashore. Now here mountain is a very huge mass of rock that rises above the land. If here word would be mountain, then it will be true. So it is false here. Number 4, coast is hot and sandy place with very little rainfall. No, false, because desert is hot and sandy place with very little rainfall. Number 5, valley is the land between mountains or hills. True. Number 6, lake is an area surrounded by water from all sides. False, because lake is an area surrounded by water from land. As lake is surrounded by land from all sides. Number 7, desert is a large portion of land that is higher from its surrounding areas. No, false, because desert is very hot and sandy place. Okay, now this is your homework. You have to write few lines about these landforms: island, cliff, hill, desert, coast. Okay, have you completed this exercise? But you have to write this exercise in capital letters: coast, lake, island, valley, waterfall, desert, mountain. Okay, dear children, we'll meet in next class with the next chapter. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.